It has been so long since our last video. We apologize for that. Sorry,
but we're here now.
We are here.
And thanks to my cousin for hanging out with me today.
No problem.
You're probably wondering what we're doing with all this food on this beautiful table. So, we're going to tell you how to put together a party snack board for under $15 that will be sure to wow people.
And their taste buds.
And their taste buds. And there's something for everyone.
There
a little
is.
bit of salty, a little bit of sweet and savory, and all of the in-betweens.
We got all of this stuff at the dollar store. I'm sure wherever you live, there's some type of dollar store. So they have some really good options to choose from there, all for $1. I've seen these boards a lot on Pinterest and social media. And what do you say they're called?
Is it a snack board?
I don't know.
I think, is it? Hold on.
I've seen a few things. I've seen
what do you call lunch board?
Graze board.
Graze.
But I've also seen snack board, candy board.
Yeah, I think the idea like Graze board.
Because we all know, cheese boards. We all love our cheese boards. Charcuterie board, charcuterie.
Bonjour.
That board. I mean, that's like the OG board. So
yes, and if you get together with your friends and have a few drinks, it's great to have a little bit of snacky snacks to go.
Because who doesn't like candy?
And chips.
Yep, and chocolate.
And cheese.
And cheese. Speaking, do you want a drink? Do we have some wine?
Sure.
BRB.
All right.
Cheers to our Graze board.
Cheers.
Should we dip right into this?
Yeah, so we're going to kind of show you how to put it together so it looks desirable.
Should we show them what we got?
Yeah, let's do it. All right, Krista, we got moon pies.
They just look so good.
I've had these before and I'm a fan.
I feel like I maybe have had them before.
Made with real sugar.
Well, that's good.
Should we open them up?
Sugar.
Or
let's do that.
I think personally, if you were going to be at a party, you would open them all.
Yeah.
So
these they have shrunk. Weren't these things like this?
They were bigger.
Oh my god. Are they like bite size?
It might be like
they're minis. Okay, they're minis.
Oh.
They're little. Because I remember like the moon pies are like this big.
Right. Just to see. Yeah, because we want to make it look adorable, right?
Yeah.
Oh, cute.
Disclaimer, our hands are clean for all of you germaphobes out there. And then we got some chocolate chip cookies, mini, chewy. Chewies are the best.
Yep. I grabbed them and these are soft.
Smell that.
What?
They're so cute. Okay.
Oh, they're so cute.
Put these here maybe?
Oh, sure.
I feel like we're gonna eat this entire board.
Here I was just telling her summer's coming soon. I need to start watching what I eat.
Girl.
We just put this in front of me. I have no business.
So good. My mouth is.
I had no business being in front of this.
And we got
apparently we're going for the sweets.
Little brownies, kind of like cosmic brownies, I guess. But I feel like they're maybe a little fluffier. Wow, they're everything we got here is mini. It's kind of upsetting.
But it's kind of good though. Gosh, it's upsetting. I'm happy about it, but otherwise it wouldn't fit.
That's true. That's very true.
They're cute.
They are cute.
And
they're cute.
They're a little ugly.
They're gonna destroy our look. Our cute. Oh my god.
Well, it won't. Maybe we put them far away from the. Yeah, that's a good look right here.
They have little M&Ms on them, and they're little.
Well, but
they're not that attractive looking, but that's okay.
After a few of these, everything's attractive. Okay. Like the blue M&M is gray.
Yeah, it's gray. It's being a little gray. They smell really good though. I'll help you. Sorry.
Yeah, you better.
No.
Oh! Did it go flying or did I do that? Did I do that?
What?
Did I do that?
No, I opened it.
Where'd it go? It's a hole.
Wait, how many were there?
Did you eat one? Krista.
Oh, 5.
Oh.
That's an odd number. Usually it's 6, 4, 6.
Oh, look.
Okay.
What the heck? All right.
Next cookies we got?
I think she has a sweet tooth.
Golden Oreos.
I feel like we should separate them
mini,
so it's
mini.
like sweet, salty, or do you want all the salt or all the sweet?
We should do that. Should we put the brownies over here then?
Yeah, we can just move these ugly things over.
They're good. They're good. They're good.
I was gonna say great, and then I said good. Oh, they're so little.
Diets are for wussies.
Yeah, I think so. Is there more in there? Are you trying to say?
No, I just didn't want to crowd it. Should I put them all in there?
You want those for later? You can have them.
No, I don't want them for later.
Yeah, I mean,
She wants them all on. We're getting them all on.
Yeah, it's only like.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh man.
I'll take this one.
Okay, that one. Yeah.
So we were like pretty much done picking up our treats, and then we walked past this, and there's only one left. And I've never heard of it. It's called Lemon Pucker, Russell Stover. Lemon candy with a sour kick. And I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty bright in here, but I want to see what it is.
We can't tell if it's like a cookie or like a wafer type. Oh, it's really thin.
Ooh.
Another small item.
Oh, cute. It's like, I think,
Is it
I
chocolate?
think it's like a chocolatey. This is adorable.
Oh, that's. Do you want to try them now?
Oh, it's chocolate.
It was like a
Oh my god. Imagine melting it and drizzling it on like a homemade cookie.
cute. Okay. We can do more chocolate things. We got these Reese's stuffed with Pieces cups.
I heard online that it's Reese's Pieces, but I say Reese's Pieces
Reese's Pieces?
because Reese's Pieces.
Oh, it is spelled like pieces.
But I say Reese's Pieces. So I just want to
Yeah.
set that clear that like as a child,
Right.
and I also say sirens because my mom said sirens.
Where should we put these guys? Oh yeah, there.
Wherever you want. The cowlish.
Maybe somewhere over
The rainbow?
right here?
Yeah, because like there's no
yeah.
like dark color. If you bring this to a party, you're guaranteed to get a call back.
Why? I just took that off.
It's okay. Should we take them all off? Does it look better that way?
I don't know.
I'm all about presentation.
Oh yeah, me too.
So if it looks better without them,
It might, yeah. Next.
All right, next. Andy's Candies. Who doesn't love a little fresh mint, especially if you're trying to kiss somebody?
I love those. Those are so
After
good.
having a bunch of garlicky or cheesy food.
Good old Andy's mints.
So cute.
I love any restaurant that gives you these guys.
Oh yeah,
With
you
the-
know you're getting good
with the-
service if they give you chocolate.
We got some Haribo cherries for gummy candy.
Gummer, gummer, gummer. I love me some cherries.
Oh,
Cherries go good with chocolate too.
yep.
And they make things so cute.
Very cute. Haribo is like the best gummy
They
brand.
smell good too.
Oh my. Ah, perfect. Okay,
All right.
we got some pretzel chips.
Pretzel chips. They are cute.
There's a lot of
Let's see if they'll pile high. Oh man. Oh, I'll take the broken one.
Yeah, here. All right.
Cute. All right, what should we do next? Protein blend imperial nuts with salted peanuts, raisins, almonds, pepitas, which are pumpkin seeds,
Oh, okay.
cashews, salted, and dried cherries. I learned that on Valentine's Day this year.
Sounds good.
All right. Yeah. That's because
okay.
I wouldn't have been there.
So we have a little bowl of our
Nuts.
nut
and
mix.
fruit.
All right. We have these acai.
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 Very
Acai.
dark chocolate fruit balls.
Love those things.
So I'm gonna put these in a little bowl.
Anytime I travel, I go to the airport and I get a little bag of those for the flight because I like to snack on everything.
Oh God, yeah. Especially in an airplane.
Oh, what else do you do?
Eat my worries away. Stress. Ooh,
This is yeah, and they're pretty. Those are great little classy little things.
That smells good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
All right, we can put the bowl here. Even up bowls.
We have 2 things left.
All right, look at this thing.
This is like looking like we need a party.
Right.
All right, so Stacy's pita chips. If you haven't had these before, they're really good. I usually get the cinnamon sugar one just as like a sweet snack, but these are good for dipping, and we have that cheese.
Yep. Oh, did we even say we have cheese?
Oh, I don't know if we said that.
Yeah,
we got some cheese.
Some nacho cheese. We just microwaved it and put it in a little ramekin.
All right, what if we moved those over there, maybe,
Okay.
and then they can just go right in the middle.
This is like, oh my god, every girl's dream options.
I'm saying.
Sweet and savory and chocolatey and tangy and... Alright, our last item is tortilla chips. They're flax, quinoa, and chia tortilla chips.
Delicious.
And they are they're avocado ranch.
Sounds good.
That sounds delicioso. Imagine that you're at a party or a gathering and you're drinking, you know, after you drink you want to eat some good food.
Oh, I need snacks.
Just imagine this beautiful board.
I'm a grazer, so the Graze board's called my name. Oh, and it looks so good.
Like, give me this over a meal.
Oh my god, any day. I need like flavors, I want different samples.
Oh, these smell good.
The other day I ordered a cheese board as my dinner.
Did you?
Yeah.
Our what's it called? Our
Graze
board, snack board, whatever board is complete. I'm gonna show you guys close up so you can see its beautiness. So that is our little Graze board. Should we dig into this and let them know how it is?
Yeah, what are you craving other than all of it?
I really want to try this cheese.
I was gonna say I want to try the cheese too.
Oh, chewy cookies are so good.
That's your thing. We used to have sleepovers, junk food. We would go get junk food, probably each spend $15.
Yep.
Like, easily.
Oh, I just want chewy stuff.
And we would get so much stuff, and then we would hide it, because if our mothers ever saw how much junk food we were eating in one Friday night, we would have been like, they would have been like, really?
Yep.
And she would always get soft cookies. Every time. I'll try one too. I'll dip it in cheese, just kidding.
Those are good.
Oh, yeah.
They're so good. The preservatives and all. Alright.
I liked how her teeth just went perfectly into it.
Mmm.
You good? Try one of these little balls. Wow, the blueberry hit ya.
Cleanse the palate for the next snack.
I'm trying to be proper. Eat with my mouth shut now.
I know, it's hard.
Like, try not to make too many mouth noises.
Because people get so grossed out. It's like, get over it.
No, there's people on
gross,
YouTube
but...
who like just eat dinner on camera, and they have millions of followers. Because people,
I heard about that.
Some people just don't want to eat dinner alone.
People eat food on camera.
But some people just don't want to eat their dinner alone, so they put it
watch
on
a video and
so that they don't feel like they're eating dinner by themselves because they're alone. Isn't that so sad?
That is sad.
Like, I'll be your dinner friend. Just we can Skype during dinner. Just don't talk to me.
Yeah,
With my mouth full.
Don't talk. Yeah.
Okay.
That's so good, so cute. Good idea, Whit. Good idea. Well, thanks for watching. We're gonna enjoy this now and
Mow down.
talk and catch up, and we'll try to not make it so long in between until our next video.
I know, we should just put it on the books today.
I know.
While we're here.
We should. And we also want to hear from you guys, and we want to know what you want to see us do, if you have any ideas.
Yeah.
Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Sorry.
Sorry. No, don't be sorry, because I'm...
Okay. Oh my god.
Oh God, Father. We just plucked a chicken in the backyard. So, gotta make sure our vino's in there, man.
This is beautiful. No matter what they say.
Yeah.
And ketchup?
And ketchup and mustard. And relish too.
Mayo. Oh, mayo sandwiches. Oh my god.
With a bacon. Oh my god. Cheese. The amount of mayo I put on that.
I know, because it wasn't good unless there was extra mayo.
And my mom didn't get that stuff, so I was like living my dream at your house.
I know. Alright, well. What do you think?
That's right. It don't matter to me.
Bread?
Yeah. Is it bread? I wish I could put like a clip of the song, but then I'd get copyrighted.
Really feel it, oh, that's a good song. Alright.
Bye. 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 You really fart?
No. It's too much food. This is something that I would die for. Like if I was drinking and I'm like, I just want some lemon.